Hi, I have kind of a fun bunch of books today. I'm going to read a few books, and they all have one thing in common. This book has a paper in it, and this book doesn't have any words. It's just surprises. Are you ready? Okay, first surprise. Ooh. Ooh. Ready for the next one? Second surprise. Oh. Oh. Tropical. Okay, last one. Are you ready? Ooh. Look. That was fun. Okay, we've got another one. Color surprises. Okay. Blue. I guess we should do red first. Red. Oh, it's a red starfish. Blue. A blue parrot. What color is this? Yellow. A yellow chick came out of an egg. And purple. A bunch of purple butterflies. There's so many. Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and a half. 14 and a half. Pretty. Ooh, green. Are you ready for green? It's got an arrow. Green snake. Whoop. Okay, let's see what's behind orange. Orange. Oh, tiger. What colors are these? I actually really like these two colors together. Brown and pink. Brown and pink. Okay, here, let's open brown. Oh! Ooh, ooh. Monkey. And pink. Pink flamingo. Woo. I think the flamingo and the monkey can talk. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh. Does a flamingo flute? I think that's what it says in Eric Carl's book. Oh, black and white. It's gonna come out when I do that. Ready? Oh, our friends the penguins. Maybe I can put them up a little slow. All colors. Oh, this page is gonna be fun. Oh, It's the sea. Look at all those things in the sea. So cool. Let's do it again. Whoosh. 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 Okay. Whoosh. 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 I'm going backwards. I know. You don't usually go backwards in a book, but when a book is so awesome, we can. Oh, now we're going this way. I forgot which way we were going. Ooh, it's so cute. Oh. And the last page. Oh. I think it gets more and more exciting as it goes. Should we read one more? It's called the book Surprise Party. Windows, windows, everywhere windows. Whoop! Whose slithery tails leave sticky trails? Who wears silly hats? Who's wearing that silly hat? Who says hiss, hiss? Have you got any ideas of who this might be? Is there any more windows? I think there's one more window here. Oh! What is that? What do you think that is? Interesting. Let's see. Oh! Oh, silly snakes. Silly snakes who with ice cream and cakes. Oh my gosh, look at that party. What? Okay, let's see what's next. Uh-oh, there's a hint. Oh, here's more windows. Let's see. Windows large, windows small, windows still. Windows. Open the windows. Open them all. Okay, you guys can help me open the windows. Whoop. An egg? See? Let's see. Ooh. Who dressed in fancy feathers? Whose beaks tie bows? Who do you think is behind these windows? Oh, there's the egg. Whose claws hold balloons? Oh, there's balloons in that window. Who do you think is behind those windows? Who do you think's in there? Oh, beautiful birds with bright blue boxes. With bright blue boxes. Oh, I see them. The bright blue boxes. 1 box, 2 box, more boxes over here. Oh my gosh, and there's a big box down here. Beautiful birds with bright blue boxes and balloons. Inksel, I hope you love these balloons. Okay, I wonder what's in this one. Let's see. Oh, what's up? Whose egg do you think that is? Whose egg is it? Do you think it's a snake egg or a bird egg? Oh, that's a nice window. What happens to this window? Oh, it just, Who hops high on hind legs. Who hops? Whose legs do you think those are? Who's thirsty and can't wait for lunch? Oh, it's a funny tongue. Who has cool, long fingers? Who has cool, long fingers? Who do you think is behind these ones? Let's see. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa! Oh my gosh, ready? Whoa! Look how many frogs there are. Fabulous frogs with frosty fruit punch. Oh my gosh, look at their drinks. Look at their fruit punch in pineapples nonetheless. Wow. That is pretty fabulous. Let's try it again. Are you ready? Are you going to be surprised? Okay, here we go. Whoa! Okay. Oh, what did they say? Why is everybody here? Let's go in and see, my dear. Windows high, windows low. Open the windows and say, hello. Whoa! Beautiful birds with bright blue boxes. Silly snakes with ice creams and cakes. What's going on? What's happening to the egg? Can you tell? Fabulous frogs with frosty fruit punch. Whoa. Whoa. This is a little version of all the other pages. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Close your eyes, open your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Okay, we're gonna do ready. We're gonna turn the page. Whoa! Surprise! Surprise! What brings fun? What birthday fun? A party for the little one. Oh, you see this egg is opening up. Ah! Feed me. Feed me. Feed me. It's a baby alligator. They're having a surprise party at their house for the baby alligator. Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, isn't that fun? That's a fun book. Uh-oh. You have to be so careful when you close pop-up books. So one thing we're really lucky about is that I'm at my mom's house, and at my mom's house, she's got so many pop-up books. Some of them are for older kids, but I think they're still fun to look at, even if we don't read all the words. I read the ones with the least amount of words today, I think. So I think for our project, we'll try to make a surprise card. We'll see what happens. Okay, bye.